Just keep on going. Slow but
Emmy's
sure.
got her first fish. She's pulling it in.
Keep your line tight.
And it's jumped
Don't
twice
give 'em any
already.
slack now.
Maybe it'll jump again.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You can't stop reeling. Now you bring it over here. Just keep going in the stand up. Here, now walk slow to the shore. Don't trip. Go slow. Now you don't have to reel anymore. Just whoop. Go slow. Okay, now walk. Keep walking. Go slow now. Just walk and step off. If you can. Keep the pressure on there. Now just keep going. Walk backwards. Just keep going. Just get them on it. Reel in. Keep reeling in. Keep reeling in. There you go.
She did it all by herself. She set the hook and everything. Emmy's first fish. Yay!
Here, reel them some more. Okay.
How's that?
Let's see here.
Are you happy?
Hold on your pole now. Keep holding on to that.
What kind of fish is it, Grandpa?
That's a little smallmouth bass. Here, come on up here. Give me the pliers. Come on up here.
I got my fish.
Hold the line right there.
Yes, you did.
Walk up here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab him like this. And I'm going to gently take the hook out of his mouth like that. See?
Are we going to
No, let go of that. Put that away. No.
Give me your pole,
You
sweetheart.
are going to let him go. Now I'll show you what we're going to do now. You watch. Come over here. Now, these don't bite. They have no sharp teeth. So what you can do, you can actually grab this fish just like this here. See what I got? And you can just gently put him in the water. Okay?
So
So put your finger right in there, and if you're like in your thumb, like
pinch
that.
it right there on the bottom of his mouth.
Yeah.
Pinch it hard. Pinch it hard.
You're not going to hurt him.
No, he won't hurt you. He has no
walk
teeth.
Over here. Walk over here. Just go down and I'll gently put him back in the water. Okay, there you go. I just put him right, just let him go in the water. He'll swim right away for you. Don't throw him. Just put him in there real gently. There
Good job. All right. Good job, Emmy. First fish. High five with Grandpa.
Yeah, right. Caught more than me. I got nothing. It's too hot for me. I'm not going out in that boat.
Good job.